Okay, Bless family. Here it goes. Please let this half be just as hot as the first half. All right, this is Pick Your University number 50 of Bowman Chrome University Delight. This is the HTA version of Bowman Chrome University. Just the white meat. Just the white meat. No filler. All you get in this product is refractors, color, autos, and inserts. That's it. No base of any kind, unless it's a base auto. All right, 51 of this break. We'll start a fresh case. It'll be brand new. Oh, that's sad. That made me miss seeing that video made me miss my friend. I love that guy. That guy Ralph was like the biggest party animal. He was awesome. He really was. Smart as a freaking whip. Amazing at, really good at poker. Just really smart. Partied like a freaking monster. That was a good dude. Yeah, he's won himself a World Series of Poker bracelet, but he's not a poker player. I miss that dude. That was a great night. All right, let's see a great break here. I would love to see a super too, Otter. Let's see a super. We've only had one of one today, so it's been a bad day for us. Refractor time. Jatavian Sanders. Him and Brock Bowers are going to be great. The two tight ends, the two big tight ends coming out. Emeka. Bo Collins, Isaiah Williams. First auto is Mason Taylor, base auto for LSU. Riley Leonard for Duke. Yeah, go ahead. Get a last auto guess for 30. Go ahead, guess it. Guess. Next box. Sorry, I forgot about the guess. Dylan Gabriel. That's actually really good for a 25. Dylan Gabriel to 25. And it's a jersey number. Timeout, jersey number for CT Buckeye in Oklahoma. 8. He had a really good season. All right, that guy's going to be a first-round draft pick wide receiver, Troy Franklin. Will. A.J. Swan on the kill for Vanderbilt. Colorado just keeps hitting. It's crazy. There you go, Spicy. Travis Hunter base auto. Jalen McMillan for Washington and Spice. Spice, you got all the big teams. Nice start. Nice start, bro. Hunter Deckers, James Williams. I love it. I love it so much, guys. I love it so much. I love it. I need to find a good way to say this without, sounding like a dick. But I know, guys, we hit like two Drake May refractors. and a Drake May insert auto in the first half. And people were avoiding North Carolina in the second half. And what do I always tell you? When a team hits in the first half of a break, like let's say a case has 2 breaks. When the team hits in the first half, everybody for some reason thinks that it's case dead and they avoid the team in the next break. The second half of the case. I don't know why. I'm going to say it now. I've said it 100 times before. That's when you buy the team. Because that means the team is most likely hot. It's more likely that the team is hot for the case and is going to hit again than case dead for the team. Get what I'm saying? I'm telling you, if I could actually have the math written up, somebody to mark down, every time the elite team hits in the first half of a case and then hits again in the second half, as opposed to missing, I guarantee you it hits a lot more. Way more than you think. I'm not surprised by this. I'm not surprised by this hit. Not at all. That is a big card right there. That's a big card right there. Jake Garcia auto. Jackson. Jatavian Sanders. Kool-Aid. Winston Wright. All these guys are going to be going at a good point in the draft. Connor Colby. There's a lot of linemen going early in the draft this year. To 25. Donovan. Ty Simpson. Jordan Travis for Florida State for Chad. It's a refractor auto. Jason Marshall. And just another Drake May. Just to dig the salt into the wound a little more. Okay, 2 more boxes. Great break. Another really, really, really strong break. There's a Michael Penix refractor for Spice. Winter Soldier. Juan Fleming for Ohio State to 25. Hilton. Camper. There's my boy. I love Frank Gore. Bo Nix, baby. J-Mo. J-Mo. Refractor auto of Bo Nix. When I was talking with Red and Gold Blooded, did I say I wasn't high on this guy? I am. I think he's going to be good. I think whoever picks him up in the draft is going to do really, really well with him. I really think so. And that's a good auto. Stud running back for Wisconsin, Braylon Allen. It's another refractor auto. That's a good one. Hell of a break. Incredible case. Yeah, how good was this case? Dante Moore. Refractors Kool-Aid. Winston Wright as another Penix refractor. Reuben Owens. Deckers. Gold of Gadsden for the $5 Syracuse Orangeman. Keon Keeley. Jace McMillan. Jace McLean. This dude is going to be great. And I talk about this guy all the time. For Notre Dame and Irish Heart, Audric Estime to $4.99 refractor auto. This dude is going to make a nasty pro if he can be healthy. Telling you right now. And the last card of the break is Marvin. Marvin's like the only guy we didn't see in this case. We didn't see a decent Marvin in this case. That's literally about it. All right, so let's take a look at our store, see what's going on. We'll determine what we're going to do because tomorrow's a big, big day, boys. We're going high-end tomorrow. We're going high-end tomorrow. Impeccable release day. We're going to do Prism Hobby full case. We're going to do Absolute Hobby full case. Tomorrow's going to be a day, boys. I mean, not to say we've been doing cheap stuff on this channel. We haven't. But, you know, people have taken spots in these Prism Hobby full cases, and I haven't even had it on the screen in like 2 weeks. I got to do it. And I'm acting like it's a chore. I mean, it's Prism Hobby full case. It's amazing. I know, Eduardo. I'm going to push it for you, brother. I promise. Under? Good. That makes me feel better, Blake. Because I felt bad about it, that those breaks have been kind of sitting there. The pick your team and the pick your color Prism Hobby cases. This is all the color and notables. And it was pretty damn good. Drake, Riley, Penix, Fleming, Frank Gore, another Penix, Jace McLean, Audric, Braylon, Jordan Travis, Jalen McMillan, who's a stud for Washington, Bonix, Travis Hunter, jersey number Dylan Gabriel, Drake May refractor auto. No, what? That's a third one. That's what? Under market. That's the break.